Okay. Okay. You're angry, buddy. Starting off this spot here, and I'm gonna do a mix. It's not gonna be a mix for the second part. I already did the second part. It's whatever. I'm gonna be here. I think I'm gonna start out with a crankbait, and that's a panfish right there scaring off. I don't see any carp, which I'm kind of happy about. What's probably happening there is a ton hang out down that way. I'll cover here, cover the next spot. I'll look around for carp, but I'm just trying to catch everything that I can. Throwing out corn and artificials. I'll get the corn rod set up maybe next spot, maybe not this spot. But yep, should be good. There's a carp right there, jeez. Oh, a panfish just tried to, it's still hammering at it, jeez. I can definitely see that, he is pissed. I'll just go straight for the, that's it right there, I think. I think I might be looking right on the top of the, it's gotta be easy to see at this. That I think is the northern hog sucker. That's a huge one though. Or maybe it's a different kind of sucker. But what I'm gonna do is immediately target him. I don't know how much better I can do for you. That's a fish. That's a fish. Jesus, he's running at me. Oh, he's heavy. Are you serious? He's foul hooked. And he's gone. Great. Nice. And I lost one of the tails on it because why not? Since that's nice and secure, I'm gonna leave that and start exploring a little bit. I don't see any bass, but I'll still throw a cast or two around here. Oh, that's a bass hitting it immediately. Yes. Yes, yes. Still got him. Oh, got a thorn bush on me. Oh, nice colored smallmouth. Little baby, but still. Take a good look at him. I know he's small, but got those kind of different colored blotches on his stomach too. I'll check for the gill lice. Ugh. Oh boy, there we go. Oh, he's got it pretty bad. Tough to really like show it because I don't really want to pry open his gills too much. That's two good ones right there. My corns, of course, maybe the, I don't know exactly where it's at, but that's definitely a good sign right there. I'll maybe give it a little pause in the topwater fishing here, if you even consider this topwater. Oh, he might have, he's picking something up. Okay, yep. Yes, that's a good one. Oh no. Oh, it's hooked around one of his fins, it looks like. Oh no, I almost lost it. Okay. It's nice to get the strongest carp in the whole creek. Got him. How am I going to do this? Little slime ball here. I don't really want to touch that part of you there. That's what, 24 incher? Not as thick as the other 24 incher that I've caught. But probably fought harder. Oh no, a fish had it. Oh no, that was a just crazy small bass. There's two of them right there. Oh, okay. Okay, you're angry, buddy. Oh no. Hopefully I got, yeah, I think I got the line's good. This has got to be a carp, right? And how big is this one? What is this guy's problem? He is huge. Man, how long is this one? This is ridiculous. Is he like 35 inch? He looks obnoxiously big. Look at him go. Why are other ones following? Yeah, let's see if that works. Okay. That doesn't. Yes! That monster creek carp, Jesus Christ. It's one heavy boy. Just look at this brute. Right about at 30 inches long. I think I caught one. No, he might be 30 and a half. We'll just go, I'll just say 30 to be the realist. But man, look at that beast. Look at that creek behind it. It is just a nice looking, colorful fish too. What I'm gonna do is put him back. But I'm gonna do it by doing this. Yeah, so he's so big, he naturally pops his tail out. He's gonna have to show me that he's got plenty of power, and what he's just gonna keep swimming into the net. Yeah, like that. Actually, now that I think about it, the one that I measured just this winter that I snagged was snagged in the same spot. He's got a red mark right there. That might be a double catch. I'm not too sure. Okay. He wasn't happy that I just slipped. I think he's good now. Yeah. Where did he go off to? I've seen him sometimes hide on this log, but he's massive. Where did he go? And look who's just sitting right there. Not one to be caught. Man, so selfish. That little northern hog sucker. Looks so cool. Carp look pretty cool too, especially that one with the red tail, goldish yellowish body. There's mirror carp. Oh, that's a fish. Come on. That's a pretty good one. Right as it hit the water. Uh-oh. Okay, he's swimming into me, right? Yeah. I feel you kicking. Okay, I don't want to lose you, bud. How am I gonna do this? There we go. Maybe 13-inch or something. All right, another look at him or her. Let's see if there's any gill lice. Well, I'll be, there's no gill lice on this one. I don't mean to sound like a little explorer here, little Indiana Jones, but I just found this little inline spinner sitting here, or sitting on the ground, getting a drink break, and all of a sudden I find some ancient treasure. I mean, I don't think I can use that again. Unless I definitely gotta swap out the hooks. Since I probably didn't give a good outro for really the second part, but I did film it first. This is gonna be the outro both these days. Ended up getting a really good day here and got my by far biggest carp. No idea what the exact weight of it is, but I've got the 30-inch to maybe 30 and a half. Also might have been a carp that I earlier this year or late last year accidentally snagged with a crankbait. It might have even been one that I was throwing today, but then pretty much everything else has been topwater. No crankbait action when I was throwing it today. Got a catch on topwater, maybe a bite here, and then next part, or you already watched it, but the other place on the creek got a, I think, probable bite and a definite catch. This is my first little adventure back. Split it between 2 days, but went really great. Thanks for watching.